And welcome to Unit 1.1 of Introduction to Information Communication and Technology. So let's go to the very first slide. So the first thing is why we need to learn computers. We all know that we live in a world that is populated and heavily dependent on computers nowadays. Uh, right now, we cannot believe in a world that does not have any computers in it. So computer has become a part of our daily life, and we will find it in every place that we visit. That is why a term known as pervasive computing or ubiquitous computing is used to define that computer is has become a main part or major part of our lives. We find it at our home, at our offices, at different type of places we visit. We found computers everywhere. So it is very much needed that we, at least everyone, whether it is a person that is living in a city or that is a person that is living in a very somewhere or in a remote location or at some remote place, must need some basic skills to how to operate computer, how to use computer to your advantage. So there's a need of right now that the people that were not have which do not have any knowledge of computers previously. Now it is time for them to learn about computers and at least develop basic computer skills. Let's go to the next slide. So how computers came into being? First of all, computers, the advance of computers or the arrival of computers began very early in the 19th or in the 18th century. But the term computers was first used in before 1980. Okay, the only thing uh, that we used in 1980s was not a modern computer that we have right now. They were extremely large, so they need a storage facility like a warehouse or something. They need special equipment to operate. There is a need of people who know what to do because they are not as much reliable that we are using right now. So it is very hard to operate those computers as well because we need to know the exact thing that we are going to do and expect the results that that computer can generate. After the 1980s, computers becomes personal. So everyone can purchase a computer for their home. It has a greater speed, much faster processing, and it is now tuned to be very personal because uh, after the 1980s, computers were not only used for carrying out different tasks, but it is also used for entertainment purposes also. So, as I stated, that it is a very, although this research was conducted very way before, which state that more than 60% of US households includes a computer. Now I know that this percentage might have gone drastically to 90s or 100 maybe, I don't know, because everyone has a computer in their pockets and that is a mobile phone. So if I'm saying a computer, I didn't mean a computer that has a monitor and sitting on your desk. It can be a mobile phone as well, which is in your pocket. Okay. So why or and what tasks that we need to carry out using computers? The first and the most important thing that has become very easy to gain is the access to information and news. So we can see that now there is nothing hidden from the world that was published anywhere in the world. Okay, so we can look up any information that we want, even if we want to look up for some normal people that were not named in any newspaper or something. They can also be find on the internet. We can exchange emails for work, for personal use, for anything that we want. We can easily shop now online, pay our bills online using different services that we have even in Pakistan right now. Downloading music and movies was already there when computer becomes more personal. Okay, so people start utilizing them for entertainment purposes only. Also, so digital photograph is another of type of entertainment. Playing games is also another type of entertainment that computers are used for. Communicating to people that are far, far away is now possible with the advancements in computers. And we know that. We have WhatsApp, Skype, and different type of platform. We have Zoom right now, which we are conducting classes. Okay. Now, convergence. What convergence means is convergence means that solidifying on a single point. Okay, so what we are doing that we are converging this whole piece of information into a single point, and that is a point of access that we use from computers, from mobile phones, from devices, from smart homes even. So these are the things that we can do. Your more mobile phones, a mobile phone can be used as a computer as well. We already know that. So computers in our home, we find computers, many computers in our home. Not only the laptops and computers and mobile phones that we use, but we have smart devices as well. We have smart homes as well right now. So any security system that has been deployed in your home, maybe if you opt for a security system, it is also based on a computer chip, or it is also based on some electronic device that is also a computer. Okay, we have now expanding more and more on smart appliances. We have refrigerators, we have different types of washing machines that can be communicate with your wireless network as well. So you will know when the things are ready for you. Okay. So all things are becoming smart. All things are utilizing different types of computers so they can fit in your life and provide you some information, provide you some things that will benefit you in some type or another. Computers in education has already been here. It's not that due to this pandemic, we have a huge rise of distance learning right now. But computers in education were most important between even in the 90s. Even in the 90s, computers were a larger part of the education. Okay, so because we use computers in our every day, we use computers for assignments, for quizzes, for different type of learning. So, computers have been utilized by all types of students around the globe. Teachers use it to prepare handouts or prepare lectures, so you can benefit them from within your home. So, distance learning, what we are doing right now. Okay, we already know what distance learning is. We are experiencing it right now, and it is only possible because of the computer and the communication. Computer in the workplace environment has drastically changed uh, just because of the arrivals of computers. Because productivity has been increased, because every manager has the information what its employees are doing, what are their progress, aren't they wasting any time or not, and it also help us in to sort out different types of things. The things that we previously use copy and pencil to do them. Now it can be automated with ease from computers. For example, for example, we used to draw maps of our houses, of our buildings. Okay, we need a specialized person who can create that for us. But it was a hard task. There were so many types of pencils even. We can't have purchased them all the things it will cost extensively. It will be very expensive. But after the arrival of such software that can be utilized to generate maps easily, even you can go and take a course of computer aided drawing, CAD, and you can design your home as well. It is that much easy. So computers in the workspace has always been the whatever technology present at the time that was being utilized, it was already there, and workplace has always benefited from this. Okay, let's move next slide. Now, in the recent times, we have seen that computers are not connected, are not only stationed at your desk only. It has become portable because we need these things more than ever. So we can see that now our smartphone has the capability to make purchases for us. It has the capability of checking your bank account, okay, or transferring some money from one account to another. It is You don't have to go to the bank right now, okay. You can use it on your mobile phone. Your mobile phone is your bank. Your mobile phone is your wallet. Your mobile phone is your navigation system. You can check out the maps. You can see what restaurants are nearby. You can order or place food by using your mobile phone, just by using your mobile phones. So computers, and by the arrival of mobile phones, things become more and more accessible for the general public. So you will see that there will be some people that do not have a computer at home, but they will have a smartphone with them, because now in the coming days, it is not a luxury; it is a necessity. Okay? Now, what a computer can do, if we look into a more detailed spectrum, that what a computer can perform actually. So the basic operation a computer can perform are only three to four things. One is input. It will allow you to input some data, input some information. Second is processing. It needs to process some information, and it will display you the result in the form of a computer screen or in the form of a printout. And the fourth and the last thing is it can be used to store information. So computer is nothing but a hardware that can process some information, some data that you present to it. So it can follow some specific types of instructions. It will always work based on the instruction that you feed. And also communication is also there. So you can send that information, either the processed or the unprocessed information, to anywhere around the world.